Hi students, I'm Paul Verdicto. In today's class, we'll learn about variables, PHP data types, and operators. Variables. When you were small children, you'd have learned math with this hand and mind concept. Let's imagine we are going to try that now. Our problem is 3 plus 4. So we'll do it like 3 in the mind and 4 in the finger. Then we'll finger the numbers after 3 and find the answer. Here, we used our hands and mind to store the data 3 and 4. PHP is also similar to a child in performing operations, so even PHP needs a location to store the data given. To store the data on which an operation is going to be performed, PHP uses variables. Definition: variables are the storage location which can store the value for later use. Basic rules for variable declaration. Rule 1. When you declare a variable, it must always start with $ symbol. If any variable is declared without a $ symbol at the beginning, PHP will not consider it as a variable. Rule 2. Variable name must not start with a number. Here, this will not be considered as a variable because it starts with a number. Rule 3. Variable names are case sensitive, which means for PHP, capital A and small a are two different variables. These two are different variables because this variable is of capital letters and this is of small letters. Since PHP is case sensitive, these are different for PHP. The main advantage of PHP is you don't have to mention the data type keyword while declaring a variable. Data types. PHP supports 13 primitive data types. In your lesson, you're going to learn about 8 data types. They are string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null, and resources. Let's check the code box. Ta-da! If Super Angels Born. IFSABORN. Here, I represents integers, F represents float, S represents string, A represents array, B represents boolean, O represents object, R represents resources, and N represents null. String. String is a collection of characters within double or single quotes. Strings are alphabetical data. Integer. Integer is a data type which contains non-decimal numbers. It represents numerical data, example 56, 74, etc. Float. Float contains decimal numbers. Example 56.4, 28.5. Boolean. When the variable has to hold the logical answers true or false as value, Boolean data type is used. Boolean data type contains true and false. Array. Array data types has multiple values in a single variable. For example, if I wish to store this shelves detail in a single variable, I can use array for it. Object. Object data type is used to store and access the data and functions of a class. Here we have variable section inside the class school. Inside the class, variable section can be accessed using reference operator. But when it comes to accessing a class variable or function outside a class, object data type will be used. Object data types are declared with the keyword new. So here we are creating an object to this class. Now with this object, the variable section can be accessed even outside the class. Null. Null data type contains a single value null. Resource. Resource is a specific variable used to refer and use an external resource. Resources like text, files, images, etc. could be linked using resource data type. Operator. To perform operations on variable, we need some symbols to tell the computer what operation has to be done on a data. Those symbols are called as operators. Generally, operators are of 6 types. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment or decrement operators, logical operators, and string operators. Let's see the code box. COMSAIL. CSAIL. C represents comparison operators, S represents string operators, A represents assignment and arithmetic operators, I represents integers, and L represents logical operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used for common arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the arithmetic operators of PHP. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are generally used to assign values to the variables. It stores the values on the right side of it on the variable left side to it. Assignment operators can also be used to simplify arithmetic operations. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. These are the commonly used comparison operators. Increment and decrement operator. These operators are used to increase or decrease the variable's value step by step in a loop. Logical operators. Logical operators are used on Boolean data types. It performs specific operations on two Boolean values and gives the resultant Boolean. AND operation is similar to multiplication. It is multiplication of two Boolean values. OR is addition of Boolean values. NOT is complementing the input. XOR is a special operator which gives an output as true if both the inputs are different and gives false as output if both the inputs are same. String operators. String operators are used to do string operations like combining texts. The operators are string concatenation and assignment concatenation. That's all for today's class. For more lectures on 12th standard computer applications, subscribe and follow Hard Drive channel. Thank you.